Hey everybody, so today I'm going to do a quick product review of the Ransoto engine oil cooler. I'm going to link a video up here of me installing this. The oil cooler in my Jeep Grand Cherokee, my WK2, is leaking. And so I looked at a couple of different oil coolers and then finally settled on this one, and then I'll share why I decided to go with this one. So I'm also going to put a link down below where you can get the OEM one, which is going for about $40 or $50. There's also the Dorman one, which is also all aluminum, American made, but it's a little pricier. It's about $250. So I decided to settle with something in the middle. This Ransoto one, it's Chinese made, but it's all aluminum. It also comes with an oil filter already in it. It comes with all the gaskets. It comes with the sensors. The Dorman, if I remember correctly, doesn't come with the filters, or there is a kit that you can buy with the filters, but I like the fact that this comes with everything. Since I'm doing an oil change at the same time that I'm replacing my oil cooler, I would have had to buy a filter anyway, so that's saving me some money there. So that $130 actually works out to be a little bit cheaper when I subtract out what I would have paid for an oil filter anyway. So let's open this up and let's take a look to see what we got inside. So you can see the boxing is actually, it's not cheap, OEM boxing. I was expecting to just get a plain brown package, but it's got some nice graphics on the outside. They've got their name. It looks solid. It looks good. Look inside. We've got some bubble wrap. Comes with a full set of gaskets, which is great. So I'll be replacing all the gaskets on the lower intake manifold. And then if we actually take a look at the oil cooler itself, again, this is a solid aluminum oil intake, which is definitely an upgrade from the OEM, which is a plastic. And it also comes with all new sensors. Having a hard time getting this out one-handed, which is fun. So here it is, shrink wrapped in the box. As you can see, it's solid, nice solid aluminum, which if you take a look at my video where I'm installing this, I'll also compare this to the one that comes in the actual truck. I'm excited to put this on. As you can see, it's got the sensors already on there, which is great. That was something I was worried about replacing it, is removing the sensors or having to get new sensors, but now I don't even have to worry about it. I could just plug the cables right into this one, pull the whole thing out. And again, like I said, it's got the filter already installed, so I don't have to do a filter. Again, looks like a solid upgrade. I like the fact that it's all metal. Definitely, after I have it installed and I drive my truck, if you're a follower of my channel, you'll see that I've got some videos of where I go off-roading, so it's definitely not just a drive around town truck. Even though we do use it to take my kids to school, I do take it on the trails when I go camping and I go off-roading. So it's definitely important to me to have some solid, good parts inside of my car. And so when I do have to repair something, I do sometimes, if I've got the money, I will spend a little bit more to try to get a more solid upgraded piece, and this definitely looks like an upgrade. You can see it's got the gaskets already installed for where the oil comes in this valve and the coolant in these two valves. So I'm pretty excited to get this installed. Again, go check out this video to actually see me installing this, and if you want to see a comparison between this particular oil cooler and the one that comes in the 2013 installed. If you like this kind of stuff, if you've got a Jeep Grand Cherokee, all of these problems, all of these things I'm fixing in my Jeep Grand Cherokee, if you're going to own one, you're probably going to have to do these type of repairs as well. These are just standard things that wear out over time. So do them yourself. This is $130, a couple hours on my Saturday, and I'm able to upgrade my part as well as do the job right and save myself some money on the labor. So again, check out my channel. Do me a favor, go down below, click a like. That really helps me out, helps my channel, helps me create more content, and subscribe to my channel. That again helps me out, so I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've got any comments, if you've used this before, or if you've used a different one that you like even more. Let me know. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.